I'm sitting in a 2018 Honda Civic keyed version. We have no keys. Our new key is in the ignition. It's brand new. Our security light, you can see it's blinking on the top left. We're going to get started here. Go to Honda, Civic, key coding, 18. We're going to go to Gen 10. Program a key. 1. Ignition's off. On. Off. On. Off. Alright, when we turn it on, the security light should go out. So here we go. It is out. Yes, it is out. Now we go count keys. Turn the key off. One key. Take the key out. Remote works. Vehicle starts. We are all done.